Setting the time and date on this GAW-100 is done like this, by pressing and holding the adjust button for about 2 seconds until ADG shows on this subdial over here, and then letting it go. And there it is. So I'll let it go. You can see the set is flashing, and my current city code is also flashing. So we are currently setting the home city on this watch. And to shuffle between the time zones and the city codes, you can press the reverse or the forward button. So basically it will shift up and down to the value or of the time zones. Each city represents the different time zone. I'm gonna leave it at Paris, and once we are done with our time zone, press the mode button again, and we shift to the daylight saving time settings. Daylight saving time settings can rotate between auto, off, or on. Depending on your time zone, you can leave it what you want, but I'm gonna leave it at auto because that's the best preset, and it corresponds to the timekeeping on this watch to my time zone. Next press of the mode button gets us to changing the time format between the 24 and 12 hour format, and that's done by pressing the forward button, and I can shuffle between 12 and 24 hour time format, and I'm gonna leave it at 24 hour time format. Pressing the mode button again shifts us to setting the seconds, and you can see the seconds are blinking. Now you can't set the exact value of seconds, but you can reset the value using the forward button on this watch. Pressing the mode button again shifts us to setting the hour value. There it is. And you can increase or decrease the value of the hours by pressing the reverse or forward button. That will increase or decrease the value of the hours. Pressing the mode button again shifts us to minutes, and procedure is the same. Pressing these two will increase or decrease, and again the procedure is exactly the same for year setting, the month setting, and setting of the date or the day, sorry. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the button operation tone. Is it on or off? This over here means that the button operation tone is on. By pressing the forward button, I can mute it, and also it's written over here, but this segment is also illuminated. Pressing the forward button again, I'm turning it on. Next press of the mode button gets us to the illumination duration. Currently it's blinking 1, which means the illumination duration is set to 1.5 seconds, and I can shift it or rotate it between 1 and 3 by pressing the forward button. LT3 stands for duration of 3 seconds of the illumination when I press the illumination button. I'm gonna leave it at 1. Next press of the mode button gets us to the power saving. So currently power saving is on, but pressing the forward button you can turn it off. I'm gonna leave it at on. And next press of the mode button returns us to the beginning of the cycle, and basically you have preset all of the values that this watch has to offer. Once you are done with the settings, just one press of the adjust button returns us to the standard timekeeping mode, and the settings that we made earlier are now present on this watch. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more watch content. Thanks.